Hey everyone, this is Laura from Laura and Andrew's Journey. I can't believe I have nearly pitted a whole lug of cherries. Now these are whoppers, okay? My lovely husband got them for me. He's been very busy, and so have I. So over on the stove, this is Tayberry jam, or it will be. Then a small batch of gooseberry, small batch of Loganberry, and yep, there's some of my jars. I've got lots of them. These are all pitted. These are cherries. Yep, I think I'm nearly over cherries. No, I've still got to make jam. That's all right. And I've got jars in the dishwasher to disinfect them and wash them. Right, so this will be chunky cherry jam, and it's going to be very chunky. This is Loganberry. I haven't started that off yet. I've just had it soaking overnight in sugar, drawing out the moisture. And I've made Tayberry jam. And
Andrew's my sample.
That's his sample. He gets those. So these are the Tayberries that we're taking to the market, except for those two, which have been requested by friends.